Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I have a little haul for you guys. I have actually a lot of stuff, but I might have to do like half of it because I'm about to go to the airport, fly to Virginia, but I heard that there's snow. Today it started, of course it's gonna start the day that I have to leave. I'm actually leaving in like 15 minutes right after this. I'm going to the airport. My flight is at like midnight, so I need to go. Also, before I start, I want to show you guys this new shirt. I actually made this, like I wrote it out, not on the shirt obviously, but like I wrote it out and then we printed it. So it says cute but psycho, but cute, and then actually in the back it says K3 chocolate. Those are from my last Fashion Nova haul. But if you guys want to get this shirt, I will link it down below for you guys. I'm gonna design a bunch of different things and drop some designs and do a bunch of different prints. I also have this shirt in this color, and you can get it in like a turtleneck, a hoodie, like whatever you want. They have a bunch of different styles on the app, so check it out. I will link it down below, and I do have a $10 off code where it makes it like 15 bucks or something like that, like for any shirt that you want on the app, not just for this thing but anything. So I will link that down below. So the first package I have here is this cute Pop Beauty package. I don't know what's in here. I have not opened these. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ooh, they're so metallic. Do you guys see that? These are called Prismatic Pop. These are illuminating powders. I'm gonna try the gilded light. Check it out, guys. I don't know, this light is really bright, but they're so pretty. So if you guys are interested in the highlighters, I will link them down below. Next, I have this company called MF. They're actually LA based. I met them when I went to spin class with Ipsy, and they're awesome. So this stands for male, female fitness. They have fitness gear. As you can see, this hat I actually just wore. We did like a little butt workout video with my friend Renee today, so that will be up soon. But they have hats, they have like shirts, gear, and stuff like that. Then I also have their shampoo conditioner right here, and I have their scrub in the shower, a face scrub and a body scrub. It's really good. The body one, oh my god, I love it. I have not tried these ones yet, but the scrubs I love. So if you guys are interested, I will link these down below as well. And I do have a discount code for all of their stuff, like doesn't matter what you want to buy, so I will link them down below and give you guys the code. Next, I have this cute package from Elf Cosmetics. So first we have this hydrating face primer, then this baked highlighter and blush gems. Then we have this post-workout cool down mist. Ooh, I'm about to start doing some fitness videos, you guys. Let's check it out. Ooh, oh my god, it smells so good. It's very like refreshing. It reminds me of like a fruit or something, like not maybe like melon, but with like a coconut or like a cucumber in it. I don't know, but it smells really good, like sweet but like refreshing. I don't know, I like it. And you guys know Elf is super affordable. And then last we have their eyeshadow palette in nude rose gold. So we have these shades right here. They're so cute, and this is a nice palette to take with you traveling, because I'm just thinking like I'm about to get in the plane. So you have mattes, shimmers, daytime, nighttime, whatever you want. So this is pretty cool. I love it. So, and of course Elf is super affordable, like I said. So check them out. I will link them down below as well. Next, I went to Love Culture and I bought a couple of things again with Renee. So first I got this dress. I already wore it on New Year's. I literally saw this. It was on discount and it was right next to like the fitting room. So it was just by itself hanging there. It's backless, so it's super sexy, but again, just a simple black little dress, you know, that you can wear anywhere. Wear it for New Year's. Like I said, I have a picture up on the gram in it. So, you know, 20 bucks, well spent, I would say. And then I also got this little thing. It's like a Spanx kind of, so I have not worn this one yet. And this waist part is actually like a double, so it kind of sucks you in. So I'll try to find these online for you guys and link them down below as well. Okay, next I have this curling iron, which I'm already using. I've been using it and I've been loving it. This was what I used today on my ponytail, but I've been using it like every single day, and it's so good. And literally as soon as I got this, I'm not even kidding, like 2 days later my regular iron broke that I've been using, or wand, or whatever you want to call it. It broke. I've been using it for years, and I'm like, that's good timing. And actually it works out, because that last one, it literally burnt it melted everything that I have. Because I don't know why I'm showing you this box, it's empty. Let me show you the actual one. But this is so good, and you can control the temperature. The other one was just like on and off, but it didn't have like a light, so I could never tell if it was on or off. So if I left the house and I just leave it there, it was just like I would come back and it's like burned my stuff, like whatever. Or thank god there was like never any fires, but it's happened like at least like 5 to 10 times, let's be honest. But literally melted so many of my things, so I'm glad that shit broke actually. But let me show you this real quick. So it looks like this. I'm taking it with me traveling. So you just turn it on and there's a little window and you can adjust the temperature on it. It's from Bionic and it's so good. I don't know what it is, but I love how it makes my hair look. What? Okay, that was the box. So if you guys are interested in this, I will link it down below. I would definitely recommend this. Next I have a BoxyCharm package, which this one is actually like from last month, I think, because I didn't get my stuff in time because I moved and blah blah blah. So this is called a Sweater Weather. If you guys are not familiar, you get 5 items every month. And BoxyCharm is the best because they have full-size products, which I love. Like for example, this one, Cover Effects Illuminating Setting Spray. Yes. Oh my god, you guys, like look at this full size. Like, do you see this? This is 4 fluid ounces, so I can take it with me. I'm only taking a carry-on. This is amazing. A lot of the other boxes, they always give you like little samples of stuff, but this is cool. So this is from Cloud Lips. I've never heard of this brand. Ooh, like the packaging first of all is cool. Rose gold, and this is like a dark bare lipstick, and I like the formula. I just love the packaging too. It's really good. It retails for $17 and this one retails for $31. Then we have this Luxie Quad Eye travel set. Perfect for me because I'm about to go traveling. So you get 4 tiny little brushes. These are so cute. So you can do a full eye look with this. This is awesome. I'm just gonna put them back in there and just take them with me. Let's do that. And this one retails for $32. Ooh, this is perfect actually for me. I'm gonna take this on the plane. This is a lip mask, which I have a couple of these, but I've never tried them. This one is from K&C Beauty. I'm sure you guys have seen them on Instagram. Those are clear, jelly looking ones that you take off. So in here, we've got actually 3. So this is cool. I'm gonna take them with me, give them to my best friend, and they retail for $15. Either, I don't know if it's 15 each or 15 for 3, but it says 15. And then lastly, we have the Winky Lux Kitten Palette. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so cute. Only thing is missing is a mirror, but this is really cool for the price. I'm already in love with these 2 shades right there, the matte and the shimmer. And I like the burgundy. I like how they have something for everyone. Some browns, some blues, some burgundies, everything. So this retails for $25. So altogether, you definitely get a lot of products because the actual box is $20. So if you guys are interested, I will link BoxyCharm down below. I would definitely sign up if I were you, just saying. So that was last month's box, and the new one that just came out, I actually posted an Instagram video. I actually posted a little like makeup tutorial with all of the products for that box on the gram. So go check it out if you haven't seen it. Next we have these 2 things from Lily Silk. You guys might remember them from a summer video that I did. This is so pretty. It's actual like real silk. And what size did I get? I'm pretty sure I got a small. And then the next one, ta-da! This is a dress. This is the best one. I like how the packaging is too. This is a nice gift to give someone. This dress, you guys, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I want to wear it already. Like, what? Like, I'm a little confused right now. I'm like, which one's the front or the back? I don't know. But on the model, it looks really good. It's super long, but it's silky and it just looks so nice on her. So I want to try this on and actually show you guys. So if you guys are interested, I will link Lily Silk down below. Like I said, they have pajamas, dresses, obviously like clothing, everything, so check them out. It's really nice quality stuff. Okay, now I just have a few more things to show you guys. So first of all, I have all of these cute little products from Pixie Beauty. I went to their holiday party, which was amazing, and they were doing these cute little like Christmas tree decorations. What is that called? I'm having a brain fart. I'm like trying to rush. Oh my god, I'm so late. But they had these cute little lippies, and you can put one together. Like, you can keep one and you can also make one for charity. So they donated all the ones that we made, like all the all the girls that were there at the party. They donated those balls with like the products inside to women's shelters, which I think was amazing. So definitely follow them. They're an amazing brand, you guys. So here we have the Flawless Beauty Primer. Then we have the matte lipstick in Plum Pink and also in Rose Naturel. Then we have 2 of these little Shea Butter lip balms, which I'm going to bring one to my best friend. Then we have the Glow Mod mask as well as the little cleanser. They're so cute. I'm going to bring them with me as well. Finally, we have this little glow tonic, which is so cute. Then I've got 3 lipsticks from Physicians Formula. These are so gorgeous. They smell so good. Oh my god. They're so pretty, you guys. This red one is bomb, and they're matte. Then we have this pink one. I'm gonna do a little close-up for you guys. Ooh, this dark red is the bomb too. So that's these 3 right here. So definitely check them out. I will link these down below as well. And I love, love, love the packaging. Next, I have a few things from Derma E to show you guys. So you guys know I'm in love with Derma E, so I have a few things from them. So this is their overnight peel, which I already have. So I'm gonna bring this to my best friend's mom in Virginia. And then this is the Radiant Glow Face Oil, which are these, yeah, they're 2 fluid ounces, so I can bring them. Thank God. Then there's another overnight peel, which I'll give to my best friend, and then the Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil, and then finally the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask, which is my favorite. If you watched my Christmas gift guide for her. This was in there, and I love this stuff. If I had to get anything from Derma E, this would be it. But all of their stuff is good. It's organic, natural, cruelty-free. So I'll link Derma E down below for you guys if you want to shop their website. Then I also have a couple things from Kurribarres. So this is their Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant, which I love. And then this are their Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Masks. These are amazing. They have a few different kinds, like different variations of masks that all do different things, but these are the nourishing ones. So I'm gonna bring one on a plane and then a bunch for my best friend and her mom. And yeah, that is all for my haul, you guys. I'm gonna go because I have to make this fight. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, check out the info box for all of the links. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check me out. Let's be friends on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All of that will be linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.